Stewart is the recipient of the 2013 Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the 2015 Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award, the two highest awards given in the air show industry to a performer. He's got both of those titles. As he snaps and tumbles the aircraft across the show line in what is called a centrifuge, this guy is a G-monster. Propellers, air and precision Jax going underneath the ribbons. Oh, Skip pulls up. We can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! He got it. Precision Jax underneath going 150, and Skip Stewart over the top with a -G outside 1/2 Cuban 8. It's a death-defying knife edge cut. Let's see if we can cut that lower ribbon. He did it! Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Skip Stewart.
And we got more Navy toys. And of all people, Georgia State Patrol. Check that out.
A max level speed of 200 miles per hour.
And more toys, this time from the U.S. Coast Guard.
F-35
Check it out.
The Lightning II. I'm in the middle of a 6. I've done...
And nothing like an old MiG right there, everybody. Along with the aerobatic plane, which we had on film earlier in one of our videos. So check them out. And of course you got the Raritan plane right there. Some people think it's a little backwards, but that's the way they're built. And back to our aerobatic plane and the MiG here in Jacksonville Air Show. And yet another Navy toy here in Jacksonville Navy base. And yet another aerobatic plane, and the biplane that we just got done watching, getting refueled here, getting ready for another section of the show. And yet another Navy toy. Looks very familiar to what the Hurricane Hunters are. Nice toy.
No, that's a...
Couple more in the background there. Got an AWACS there. A lot of toys from the Navy. A lot of our money. Like Trump says, strength controls.